Hey traders, looking to kickstart your Forex journey without risking a dime? World Forex has got you covered. Introducing the $30 no deposit bonus from World Forex. Yes, you heard that right. Get $30 for free to trade and test your strategies. It's simple. Just sign up, verify your account, and the bonus is yours. No deposits, no hidden fees. Trade confidently with real funds and experience the world-class trading conditions of World Forex.
I started with the $30 bonus from World Forex, and it helped me gain confidence and improve my trading skills. Now I'm trading full-time.
World Forex offers a user-friendly platform, fast executions, and a wide range of trading instruments. Plus, their customer support is always ready to help. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Head to wforex.com/bonus-blue sign up and claim your $30 no deposit bonus today. Happy trading!